Hello everyone, welcome back to Nuzhat Memon online classes. In last video lecture, we got familiar with designing online registration form using KompoZer. That we did in chapter number 1. And for better interactivity, we were using JavaScript. That also we covered in chapter number 2. Today, we are going to learn how to design and develop a small e-commerce website named School Plaza in KompoZer. On our School Plaza website, all the school related items like school bag, water bottle, lunch box, books and other such items are available. This is our home page, that is the first page of the website displaying images of school bag. Generally, home page of the website is named as index.html. Website have different web pages that are linked to each other. Here, as you will click on water bottle category, you will get the page of water bottle. And if you will click on lunchbox category, you will get the page of lunchbox. Here, I have divided this chapter number 3 into 3 parts. First part that we will cover today, that designing part, we will design simple e-commerce site named School Plaza. In second part, you can see the detail of all the product that added in shopping cart and we will calculate the total amount. In third part, we will prepare a billing page in a tabular format that show the detail of total items selected along with the total amount you have to pay. Before doing this practical section, we need to know the term website and we need to know general point we need to consider while designing any website. A website play a very important role in a business nowadays. A website help in presenting the business to the world, or it help in promoting the business, or if you want to sell any product, or if you want to attract a large number of customers. A website is a collection of interlinked web page for a specific purpose, and purpose just now we have covered. Planning for the website. Developing a good website is similar to doing any project, as it also requires detailed planning. Better the planning, higher the chance of success, or you can say that goal you have set for developing a website can be achieved. Goal and purpose of website that we covered in last slide. It can be presenting or promoting your business, selling the product, or attracting a large number of customers. Here, we have to see the important point that we will consider for developing any good website as a part of planning process, and that are purpose, audience, content and medium. First point we need to consider while designing any website is to clearly identify the purpose. Definition and the goal of the website should be clear. Whether we just want to give information to group of people, for example, doctor that is giving service. Right, doctor is not selling any product. It just want to give information like what kind of a service is provide and what will be the timing to give service, what will be the contact number or something like that. Right. So it is just giving information to a group of people, or it may be to attract a new customer or to sell the product online. Once we are clear with purpose, then only we can think about content and layout. Layout means how our home page will look, what thing we will put, like that. That thing we will decide later. First, our goal and definition should be clear. Next point is audience. Before we start designing part, we should know the expected user of the website. If I am designing website for playhouse or KG student, then I will prefer to add favorite cartoon character, or I will use bright color to attract a child. And if I am designing website for teenager like you all, I need to design PPT like this. Every day you need new or different thing, right? So the website should contain both general and detailed information. It also contains specific and non-specific data. The type and extent of detail and specific information you put on website completely depend on the nature of the expected audience who is going to use it. Content and layout can be properly developed after identifying purpose, as I told you, and we should know the expected user also. Now next point is, another consideration is the speed of connection that the expected user will have. It is desirable that the website should contain minimum required graphic and multimedia files. You should keep minimum graphic, because if you will keep large graphical file, then site will take long time to load and user will become impatient and may leave your site. So use minimum graphic and multimedia file. Now we will focus on website content. The website must contain complete and relevant information. Nobody is interested in excessive use of irrelevant content. They need specific information only, and it should be relevant only. It should satisfy the user and sustain their interest in the website. Most important point is the website should be classified into general and detailed category. The general content provide an overview of the site, organization, product and service and such other item. Brief descriptive information help user in determine what he is searching. Here you can see different items here. If you are interested, just click on this item, it will show more detail or specific information, right? So that is general information here. We'll tell more specific and detailed information on the site like product or service description, as you have seen in Amazon or Flipkart. Overview you can see, and if you want to know more description about it, you have to click on that product. That is the same thing. Here layout of the site should be such that it can be easily accessed to the specific information. Now next point, text paragraph should always be kept at reasonable length. If there is a lot of content to be displayed on a web page, then try to split it into a small text block, as I did here using bullet instead of using different paragraph. The navigation in the website should also be made as easy as possible. A website is a valuable tool for any business or organization. So website should compose of right content, and content should be complete and relevant. Last point in planning process of website is medium. The website design should be scaled for all the devices like computer, smartphone and tablet. Also, the website should be designed keeping in mind that it is well displayed in all the popular web browser. So our website design should be responsive in any device or in any web browser. Now we will create a simple e-commerce website using KompoZer. Now let's quickly go through our practical section, wherein I will cover theory side by side. You have to open KompoZer for that. Here we will begin designing a website with home page, that is the first page of the site when the user enters the URL address in the address bar of the browser. Generally, the home page of the website is named as index.html. We will see something about home page even. As I told you earlier, home page is the first page of any site and it named as index.html. Every website is built inside directory as a separate file on the web server. When type any URL without specifying the file name, the server look for the default file, and the default file name as index.html. That is the home page or first page of any site. Here we will create table to organize content and image. To insert table, go to insert menu and table, or you can click on table icon that is available on KompoZer toolbar. You can see like this insert table dialog box. In insert table dialog box, you will get 3 tabs: quickly, precisely and cell. Here you have to select single cell and then press OK button. If you are not able to see the width as 100% of the window, double click on it or right click on it. You will see table property dialog box. Go to table and from here select the 100% of window here and click OK. Here for 100% we did it. Now double click table. Here we can see background color. Just select it and give any background color like this I am giving here and click OK. Read the slide. Table. To insert table, you have to go to insert table, or you can directly click on table icon that is available on KompoZer toolbar. And to give background, what you have to do, you have to again go to table cell property, and in that you will see table and cell. Yes, if we will open this table tab, here you can see different option like size. It will show number of rows, column, height, width of the table. Height and width of the table can be specified as a pixel or percentage of the window. Here you can see border option even. It will give the border to the table. And then you can see spacing and padding. Here I will show you the term also what it means. Spacing is used to specify the gap between two cells. So here if I will design any table and I want a gap between two cells, then I have to specify spacing. Padding means if I want to give a gap between the border of the cell and whatever text you are writing in that cell. So I want to give that much space, that is padding here. So you can see here padding here. Fine. And between these two cells, this is spacing like that. And table alignment. It can be a left, center or right. Caption. It is used to give any heading to any table. Background color. To give background color to the table that we did now. This all option you can see here when you will click on table tab of table property dialog box. Now you can right click on this table and again select table, insert table. Here we will select one row, two column like this. Again increase the width, go to table tab, select 100% of cell. Write any heading here. Select both the thing, center alignment. Here I want to change this as a heading 1, select it. From body text, change it to heading 1 in formatting toolbar 1. Here I will change it to bold, or even I can increase the size like this. Here I want to insert image. To insert image, select insert and then image, or you can select image icon from KompoZer toolbar. Here you have to specify the location. Fine. Select this icon, choose file icon. I will select this image. Here you select don't use alternate text. Give alternate text when you want to display some text. In case if any image is not displayed in the browser, at that time this text will be displayed. Now come to dimension tab. Select custom size. Remove this checkbox and select width as 25% of cell and then 100% as a height. You can change the width from here also. Here you can set the image. Fine. Even we can change the color of the cell. Table, background color. Select any color. Fine. Now we will select 2 by 2. Here write category, and here write new product. Here you can change the text color. You have to go to format menu and you have to select text color here. Select any color. Even you can make it bold. Select this text event, make it bold, change the color, format menu, text color, changing color like this, table, background color, here right click again, table insert, table, and select 6 row and 1 column, write some item like this, school bag, water bottle, lunch box, files and folder, yes, make it vertical align as a top. So it is middle, select it top, later on we need to do it, better to do it now. Here also I will make it top, right click, table insert, table, now we need 3 by 3. Here again I will add image, you have to choose file, don't use alternate text, change the dimension, custom size, here I am specifying in pixel, 200 by 200, then I will add a bag name like bag 1, you can give any name, then I will add checkbox that we did in chapter number 1, here you have to select checkbox here and you can give any name, right now I am giving cart and I am giving ID also in HTML attribute ID, here I am giving ID as C1, click OK and then again click OK, write some text, add to cart. Now I want text field, you can give any name like QTY quantity, initial value I am giving 1, I don't want big size box so I will reduce the size to 2, in advanced edit HTML attribute, select ID here and then give ID here like Q1, again press OK, write some text, quantity, here I will specify the price also like rupees 333 something, make it center alignment, copy this thing and paste it, we will change the image and text gradually, like this we have to do. First we will make it a central line, so select it and then select center alignment here. Now change the image, just double click on it, choose file, we don't have to change dimension, don't use alternate text, it is already set now, we just have to change the image, like this we have to do. Even you can add horizontal line. How to add? Insert horizontal line like this to separate the category. Fine. Here select it, you will see ID C1 and this one also ID C1. ID should be unique, so we need to change it. How to change it for next product? That is, we have to select again form field, advanced edit, select this C1 and modify it to C2. Click OK. Again double click on it. Here advanced edit, Q2. Click OK. Here form field, advanced edit, C3. And here double click on it, advanced edit. I am doing for this 3 product, you have to do for remaining item, and in next video lecture we need all these things, so complete it. Yes, so this way you have to design the web page. Here you can change it, product, price and name also, like this. Yes, I am doing for this 3 item, you complete it. Now how to do linking? Here you have to select this text and you have to go to insert menu and you have to select link, and here you have to select location. Here I am giving index as a school back file, so click OK. So this thing is done. Now this thing again we will do. Again insert menu, link, and here we will select the file water bottle, and here we will select the file link, lunchbox. Now we will select. Save the file. It will ask for page title. Give the page title as School Plaza. It will show the text here. It is untitled now, so this way you have to do. And here I will save the file on desktop. Index.html. You don't have to write HTML again. Here how to create separate different files. Just you have to copy it here. Image also we have done. Just now I told you how to do this thing, and cookie I will cover in next lecture. Here you have to copy this file, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. One I will give the file name as water bottle, and second one as lunchbox, and I will open this 2 file in KompoZer. Lunchbox. Here it is showing School Plaza only because we have done the copy paste work only. What you have to do, you have to go to format menu, and then you have to select page title and properties, and in page property you have to write name, like what is the name of that file, lunchbox. So it will show on title bar. This way. Again I will open water bottle. Here again I will go to format, page title and property. Here I have to write water bottle and click OK. Here you change the images, you change the name, price. You don't need to change this ID and password. It is okay for now, and you have to give a link like this. Fine. we will see in browser. We will start with index page, that is School Plaza page. Browse, launch. Yes, you can see here, as you will click on water bottle, you can see the water bottle page here, and if you will click on lunchbox, you can see the lunchbox page like this. So you have done with designing part. That is all for the day. We are going to write JavaScript code to calculate the total amount that you have purchased, you have added in shopping cart in next video lecture. So practice as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned in for next video.